Here's something I see homeowners and do-it-yourselfers doing, but you're probably never going to see a professional concrete finisher do something like this. And that would actually be if you have a set of porch stairs, something like the one you're looking at here. Again, the picture that I actually came across, I can't use these pictures because of copyright laws. I don't want to get in trouble, so I kind of just drew this one myself. So if you could just imagine a small set of concrete stairs going up to either a concrete deck or a wood deck, and then a homeowner or do-it-yourselfer wanting to extend the width and length of the stairs. What you're looking at here is a concrete form board around the stairs. Again, the goal here is to extend the steps. So you're just going to fill it, build a form around it and fill it up with concrete. And again, this is something I see a lot more often than I would like to. Whether or not you are going to make the stairs the same height or raise them up, let's just say that you wanted the forms to raise up 2 inches for whatever reason. Maybe you have a set of stairs that isn't built right, something like that. I'm going to suggest, and this is the big biggie here, that you remove the concrete stairs instead of using them or incorporating them into your stairway. And if you're going to do something to where you're going to have about 10 inches of concrete in between the existing stairs, you might not have a problem, but if that's the case, obviously, if you're going to have 10 inches, you're not going to worry about the concrete stairs in there, or you might remove them anyway. And I hope I'm making sense here. If not, I think I will further along in the video. So realistically, I'm suggesting that you remove the concrete stairs, form up the new set of stairs that you want, and then of course pour the stairs, and you will be a lot happier. Trust me on this. It's like I said, this is something I see a lot of homeowners doing, do-it-yourselfers, but you're not going to see a professional because they know this stuff will crack in the future. And it can actually crack right around the perimeter of the area underneath where the stairs would have been located, the existing stairway. It's not uncommon to see something like this, or to see it crack from the corners. It'll just crack from the corner of the new concrete to the corner of the area where the existing stairs were. Now this, like I said earlier, will also apply to stairs. Let's say that you're going to raise the stairway up 2 inches. So you're going to have 2 inches of new concrete over the existing concrete. Well, if that's the case, I need you to take a look at this next picture very carefully. Here's the only picture I could find that's going to give you a pretty good idea of what I'm referring to. You are looking at a room addition slab. This was a slab that was poured onto an existing home, and the area you're looking at would have been where the stoop or a concrete porch, let's say, little concrete pad that would have been maybe 36 inches by 36 inches, something like that. So if you would have stepped outside of the kitchen door, you would have stepped onto the concrete pad and then onto the dirt or another walkway. And this is common with homes. And they're usually about 2 to 3 inches lower than the existing floor level inside the house. Well, there are plenty of people, and I've even done it myself, where you just simply pour over this concrete. You got a 2-inch area that you're going to be able to fill up, and it's, hey, let's just go ahead and fill it up. Well, this is usually what's going to happen. You will get a nice crack all the way around the area where the existing stairs were. So you're probably thinking, hey, what's the safest distance or the minimum distance that you could go where you wouldn't have a crack? And that's hard for me to answer. 6 inches, maybe. Again, that's maybe. Do you need to tear the entire stairway out? If you're going to be building a larger one on top of it, hey, I'm going to leave that up to you, because like I said, I don't really have a good answer for what would be the minimum distance you could fill something like this up, because I have seen these things crack, and I'm talking crack within a few weeks after pouring. You just get a nice crack in there, it's done, kind of a thing. So well, hopefully this video gives you an idea of what not to do. Again, sometimes we can remove a stairway like this. It's going to be a 2 or 3 step stairway. You're not talking a lot of money here to report and something like that, but you could be talking about a lot of frustration in the future if you don't. So I hope this video provides you with a pretty good idea of the possibilities of what could happen here. And if you like these videos, do not forget to hit me with the old thumbs up button every once in a while, and tell your friends, your neighbors, and your family members about this site. And let's increase everyone's awareness of construction problems, and see if we can't reduce or even eliminate problems like these in the future.